I'm back again. Today I will be talking about different businesses that I ventured into. Um, since most of the people who we interact with want to know how we started the 7 businesses and what are the 7 businesses that we started. Um, Ankur and I, my husband and I, we are life partners and business partners. Both of us quit our job and started IT consulting firm in 2000, December 2006. Um, those who want to know more about that can watch my other video, the journey of employee to entrepreneur, for the background. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the 7 businesses that we ventured into, and how we decided to start consulting firm, and how we decided to start the other businesses, and the learnings across each business that I will be sharing as a series in a separate video. Each business, what are my learnings and the challenges that I faced, I'll be sharing in a separate video. This video will talk about all the 7 different businesses that we ventured into, how we decided to start that business, and what happened. So the first business that we decided to start was IT consulting firm. So while I was exploring different options, franchising options, fast food options, retailing, we realized that franchising was, we had the franchisee that we wanted required a lot of funds, at least 40 lakhs and above. This is way back in 2006-7 time frame. And we decided to take up Dosa Plaza franchisee. There was this option, Plaza franchisee, fast food franchisee, and we almost decided to go ahead with it. In fact, we signed up with Gopalan Enterprises on Old Madras Road. We have RMZ Tech Park. Right opposite that is Gopalan Mall. In that mall, the top floor was to be a food court, and we decided to take up the full food court. No experience in supply chain and anything. I mean, didn't even occur to us. Just we found it very lucrative, and I was done doing IT for so many years, for 10 years, slogging, working 18-20 hours. I didn't want to do anything back in IT. So my husband was employed with Motorola, so at that point in time, and after my second maternity, as I shared earlier, I resigned. And when I wanted to explore what are the things I can get into, I was exploring non-IT options because I was so done doing IT. We decided to start this. We met Mr. Prabhakar from Gopalan Enterprises, and he encouraged us. He could see the passion, but he also gave us right guidance, that we should know more about supply chain before we venture into owning the full food court. But looking at our excitement and passion, he agreed to give us the food court. And we also paid some token amount. And on the way back, one of Ankur's friend called, and he said he would like us to meet a chartered accountant who can help us with what are the formalities that need to be done. And his uncle was a very senior person in this space, so he introduced us to him. And the first question this person asks us is that why did you decide to take up this franchisee? Have you worked out the numbers? Now, we were both, Ankur and I were very, very technical people in our IT firm, though we have done managerial and leadership roles, but nothing in the sales, marketing, that kind of a space, or nothing with finances, right? So when he said, have you worked out numbers on paper, we didn't even understand what is he talking about. So we said, we don't understand. He said, okay, you have to list down what will be your expenses, what will be the rentals, what will be staff salaries, what will be your inventory cost, and what is your recurring cost, what is going to be OPEX, then CAPEX, capital expenditure, operational expenses, operational expenditure. All these terms were like so new for us. I mean, I'd never heard all these terms, and I didn't even understand what is he saying. So he helped us work out the numbers on paper. And when we finally put everything on paper, we realized that even if we are making a 20 lakh sale in a month, we would hardly be making some 40,000 or 50,000 rupees as profit, provided we are selling well. And both of us being in IT, white collar jobs, doing very well in our professional lives and having good salaries, we realized after so much of effort, we will be making only this much until break even happens. And the kind of effort that needs to be put in to run that business, we thought it was not worth our time. And we actually decided to drop that idea of after working the numbers on the paper, we realized this business is not feasible for us. This is not what we want to do. The numbers don't look good. There's a lot of time and effort needed to get success in that business at that point in time, you know? So we went back to Gopalan Enterprises and we said, no, we don't want to do this. And they very happily returned our token amount that we have given. So I am really, really grateful to Mr. Prabhakar from Gopalan Enterprises. I would call him a mentor because he showed us the direction. Even the chartered accountant that came in our life, I will also call him a mentor at right time, who helped us with right inputs, right numbers, and working out a right business strategy. Right, first you have to plan, put it on paper and see if the numbers are making sense. That was a great learning for us, and also a turning point, because if we would have started, we would have lost all our money, and it would be with two small children with our kind of expertise in IT. Probably that was not what we should have gone into. And just thankfully, with the help of right mentors in our life, we were able to take decision of not doing that. Then what else to do, right? So but I decided I'll not go back to job. Either I will do something on my own, or I'll sit at home happily being a homemaker. Then what happened, yeah, we decided, we have been in IT for so long, we have been doing very well, and I, coming from a consulting background, I was very good at training, and I because of my previous experience about staffing, how to train people and staff them as consultants, contractors, that I understood very well, and it did not require much investment also, except for office space. So that's how we decided to start IT consulting firm. We had some product ideas. Ankur had some very good product ideas, but the fund requirement and the team requirement for executing those product ideas were like too much beyond our limits. And we also realized that if a company like Samsung, Nokia starts thinking on those lines, we will be killed any moment, because they have more muscle power. So we decided to venture into services, and we started IT consulting firm with the intent of staffing, providing permanent and contract staff, and training. That was the intent with which we started. That's how the IT company started. Now there were a lot of challenges with that itself, that business model itself, and if we would have not shifted our business model, probably we would have to go back to our jobs very soon, within 6 months of starting the business. So all I can say is, we didn't think too much. We just went and started the IT firm, and with an intent to contribute in people's life, as we felt that we have achieved enough. We were getting into our comfort zone, so before getting into comfort zone, it's better to do something, explore, experiment, and see if we can contribute in people's life. We can bring some value with our presence, with our learnings. And that's how Meteonic, our IT consulting firm, was started. In one other video, next video series, I will cover exactly what happened when we decided training and staffing, then how we shifted to the current business model that we have, and what are the challenges I faced and how we overcome those challenges. That's all a separate video. It will be just video on IT consulting firm, the challenges that we faced and how we overcame. For each of the video, I'll cover that. In this video, I'll just talk about 7 different businesses that we ventured into. Maybe I'm thinking I'll do a separate video, because we're already 10 minutes. Maybe I'll do a separate video on all other businesses, the short video on all the businesses. So the learnings from this is that, I mean, a lot of people who come and meet us in our retail showroom. They just want to know that why we started IT consulting firm, how we decided to start it, and what happened. So the intent was just sharing. Uh, uh, this is how we started. We changed our approach completely, and probably that was again a turning point in our journey as an entrepreneurs. With the help of right mentors who came in our life, and we were listening. We're listening to our mentors. So that's all for this video. Take care. Namaskar.